Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing three of the best digital photo frames in 2025: Aura Frame, Frameo, and Skylight. These frames are perfect for displaying your photos in a sleek, modern way, and we're going to break down which one stands out as the best. Let's get into it. Aura Frame. Aura Frame continues to impress with its sleek design and premium quality. This frame offers a full HD display that showcases your photos in vibrant colors and sharp details. What sets Aura apart is its automatic brightness adjustment, making sure your photos look great no matter what room they're in. With unlimited cloud storage, you don't have to worry about running out of space. Just keep adding photos to your heart's content. Another standout feature of Aura is its wireless syncing via the Aura app, making it super easy to upload photos from anywhere. Whether you're sending images from your phone or your computer, Aura makes the process quick and simple. The downside? It's definitely a premium option with a higher price tag, so it's better suited for those who are willing to invest in top-tier quality. Frameo offers a different approach, focusing on affordability and flexibility. Unlike Aura, Frameo isn't a brand of digital frame itself, but an app that can be used on compatible third-party frames. This means you can choose your own frame style and brand while still getting the benefits of Frameo's easy-to-use photo sharing. The Frameo app allows you to send photos directly to the frame, and it's super simple to use. No need for a subscription here. Just download the app, connect to your frame, and start sending photos. While Frameo frames are generally more affordable, the trade-off is that you won't get the same premium display quality as Aura or Skylight. But if you're on a budget and still want a functional and easy-to-use frame, Frameo is a great option. Skylight Frame. Finally, we have Skylight Frame, which is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Skylight features a 10-inch touchscreen display with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to upload photos, even if you're not tech-savvy. It's designed for families or anyone who just wants a quick and easy way to share photos with loved ones. The Skylight app is available for both iOS and Android, and you can send photos to the frame by simply emailing them to your personalized Skylight email address. This feature makes it particularly convenient for older adults or those who aren't familiar with apps but still want to keep up with family photos. However, Skylight's display quality is not as high-end as Aura's, and it doesn't offer cloud storage. You're limited to the internal storage on the frame. Skylight is also reasonably priced compared to Aura, making it a great option for those who want simplicity without breaking the bank. Comparison breakdown. Here's a quick look at how Aura, Frameo, and Skylight compare across key features. Feature: Aura Frame, Frameo, Skylight. Display quality: Full HD, great color accuracy, depends on the good display but lower resolution. Storage: unlimited cloud storage, depends on third-party frame, internal storage only. Aura app easy to use. Frameo app works with multiple frames. Skylight app simple interface. Easy wireless. Easy depends on frame choice. Simple email-based photo sharing. Price: premium pricing. Affordable depends on frame. Affordable. Video playback: no video support. No video support. No video support. No voice integration. No voice integration. No voice integration. Best premium quality. No limits. Budget conscious. Flexible. Families. Simplicity. Final verdict: Aura Frame is your best bet if you're looking for premium quality, unlimited cloud storage, and a seamless user experience. It's perfect for those who are willing to invest in a top-tier photo frame with the latest tech. Frameo is a great option if you want affordability and flexibility. It's perfect for those who don't mind choosing their own frame and are looking for an easy way to share photos without a subscription. Skylight Frame is ideal if you want a simple, easy-to-use frame that's especially great for families. It's a more budget-friendly option, but you'll have to settle for lower resolution and limited storage. That's it for today's comparison between AuraFrame, Frameo, and Skylight. Let me know which one you choose in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.